Good morning, everyone. This is 10K Manager Jen Santos from Bacoor, Cavite, Philippines. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa MMM dahil ako po ay nakapagbigay ng tulong. I was able to provide help on November 15 of 2015 for 20,000 pesos. And I was able to get help on November 25, 2015 for 29,100 pesos. Let's look at the details. So, makikita po natin dito kung saan po nanggaling yung aking 29,100 pesos. Ayan, makikita po natin I have leader bonus. And ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na Mavro Mining, which is 14% Mavro growth, 20,000 pesos. At this is the bonus for the 14% Mavro growth na 2,800 pesos. Thank you very much, MMM. Salamat kay Daniel Galzote, Flor de Liza at Tom Sotayara sa pagtulong sa akin na makuha ko ang 29,100 pesos ko. Salamat at mabuhay ang MMM Philippines.